December 2, 2022, Northrop Grumman Corporation and the U.S. Air Force unveiled the B-21 Raider at Northrop Grumman's site in Palmdale, California, marking the first time the world's first, sixth-generation aircraft was seen by the public. When delivered to the U.S. Air Force, the B-21 will join the nation's strategic triad as a visible and flexible deterrent, supporting national security objectives and assuring the nation's allies and partners. The Northrop Grumman team develops and delivers technology that advances science, looks to the future, and brings it to the present, according to Kathy Warden, Northrop Grumman's chair, chief executive officer, and president. The B-21 Raider ushers in a new era of technology and reinforces America's role as a peacemaker through deterrence. The B-21 Raider is named in honor of the historic Doolittle Raiders, U.S. Army Air Force men, who are known for their surprise attack against Japan during World War II on April 18, 1942, which forced the Japanese to recall combat forces for home defense and boosted morale among Americans and U.S. allies abroad. The designation B-21 recognizes the Raider as the first bomber of the 21st century. The B-21 Raider will be a dual-capable stealth bomber, with the ability to deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-21 will serve as the backbone of the future B-21 and B-52 bomber force of the Air Force. Designed to operate in the high-end threat environment of the future, the B-21 will play a crucial role in assuring the continued air power capacity of the United States. "34 years after unveiling the iconic B-2, the U.S. military has revealed a new bomber, designed to use weapons that haven't been invented yet. The new B-21 stealth bombers are supposed to fly thousands of miles distant, sneak past enemy air defenses undetected, drop many tons of bombs on targets, and clear the way for U.S. and allied troops. Currently, only the B-2 is capable of doing so, and the United States only has a few. The bomber has finally been shown to the public. The next test will be at Edwards Air Force Base. Test pilots will push the jet to its aerodynamic limits there, high above the desert. How well it does will tell us a lot about whether or not the stealthy B-21 program or just its costs are ready to take off.